Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to quick healthy family meal ideas. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So here are some quick healthy meal ideas that you can eat with your family rather quickly. So the first is veggie pack turkey chill. Ingredients are ground turkey, kidney beans, black beans, diced tomatoes, bell peppers, onion, chili powder, cumin and garlic. Instructions are: saute onion and garlic, then add ground turkey and cook until brown. Add beans, diced tomatoes and spices. Simmer for 15 to 20 minutes and serve it with a side of cornbread or over brown rice. The second is 1 pan lemon garlic chicken with asparagus and potatoes. Ingredients are chicken breasts, baby potatoes, half asparagus, lemon, garlic, olive oil, salt and pepper. So what you need to do is preheat the oven to 400 degree Fahrenheit, 200 degree Celsius. Arrange chicken, potatoes and asparagus on a seed pan. Drizzle with olive oil, lemon juice and garlic. Then season. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes, and that's how you do it. And the third is beef and vegetable tacos. Ingredients are ground beef, black beans, taco seasoning, lettuce, diced tomatoes, avocado and whole wheat tortillas. Instructions are: brown ground beef, then add beans, add taco sauce seasoning, serve in tortillas with lettuce, tomato and avocado, which is ready in 15 to 20 minutes. And the fourth is shrimp and veggie stir fry. Ingredients are shrimp, bell peppers, broccoli, snap peas, garlic, low sodium soy sauce and a splash of sesame oil. What you need to do is saute garlic, add shrimp and cook until pink, add veggies and stir fry until tender crisp. Drizzle with soy sauce and sesame oil and then serve it with brown rice or guano. Now the fifth is spinach and ricotta stuffed sweet potatoes. Ingredients are sweet potatoes, spinach, ricotta cheese, salt, pepper and a sprinkle of parmesan. Instructions are: microwave sweet potatoes until tender, saute spinach, mix with ricotta and season, cut potatoes open, stuff with spinach mixture and then top it with parmesan, which is ready in 20 minutes. Now the sixth is pita pizza with veggie and turkey pepperoni. Ingredients are whole wheat pita bread, tomato sauce, shredded mozzarella, turkey pepperoni, bell peppers, spinach and mushrooms. Here what you need to do is preheat oven to 425 degree Fahrenheit, 220 degree Celsius. Spread sauce on a pita, add cheese, veggies and pepperoni. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes until cheese melts, which is ready in 10 minutes. And that's basically some of the quick healthy family meal ideas. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.